Hi guys, this is a quick way how I edit my shorts. First off, I'm gonna import a file. We can drag and drop it in. Then we're gonna drop it into the timeline. I'm gonna drop another one into the timeline. Reduce the audio to -100 so there's not too much sound, because it's louder when there's two videos in the timeline. Then we're gonna go to sequence. Change the frame size. This is the resolution for shorts, 1080 by 1920. There we go. I'm going to top video, we're going to change the scale to 40, and the bottom video we're going to change the scale to 130. After that, we're going to zoom in and cut the beginning of the video. There we go. Just find a location where it transitions. Control C for cutting. Control V to go back to select mode. It's also at the side bar there. I go to the back side. I'm gonna cut again. Control C, cut. Control V to select. Control C, cut. Another issue is the video is too long. So now we're gonna need to find where 1 minute is. Then we're gonna go to speed and duration, and maintain audio pitch and ripple edit. And we're gonna guess about 120 to 122. And yes, it fits into 1 minute. Now we're gonna do that for the top video as well, so it matches. There we go, there's the video. Not too hard. And for exporting, Control M, you're gonna go to H.264, then it will automatically render out in this resolution, and you can save your file wherever you want to, like I'm saving it right here, and then you can just export it. And done.